Welcome to our counter display table installation guide. Begin by unboxing the product and carefully aligning it on a flat surface. Refer to the provided instruction manual for step-by-step guidance. Ensure all the necessary kits are available by cross-checking with the items shown in this video. Next, start assembling the table using the numbered components. Match the numbers for easy installation. Place the bottom base and top base side by side. There will be 8 aluminum frames. Attach 4 to the bottom base and 4 to the top base. Secure the leg stands tightly to prevent any shaking or instability. Once all the leg stands are in place, attach the covered board on top and secure it with the bottom stand. Confirm that all legs are securely fixed for stability. Now, it's time to install the fabric onto the frames. Insert the silicone-edged fabric into the board gap area. Stretch the bottom fabric over the bottom board, ensuring a smooth, wrinkle-free covering. Utilize the zipper area for convenient storage of your items. Follow these instructions carefully for a successful installation of your counter display table. Welcome to the EZ Banner Display Stand Installation Guide. Let's get started by unboxing the product and placing all the components on a flat surface. Begin assembling the frames by matching the numbered sections. They should fit tightly together. The elastic rope found within the frame hollows to simplify assembly. Ensure that the clip buttons are properly inserted between the frames for secure attachment. The frames with screws on both sides should be affixed to the bottom portion of the stand. Use the provided Allen key to securely tighten the screws, eliminating any wobbling. Attach the base bottom part to the frame structure. Now it's time to install the fabric onto the frame. Zip it securely at the bottom to ensure a smooth finish. Check for any wrinkles in the fabric and smoothen them out. Your EZ banner display stand is now ready to be showcased at your event or trade show. Happy promoting! Welcome to the installation guide video for the medium and large size SEG Lightbox. Let's begin by carefully unboxing and placing the product on a flat surface. Using the provided matching numbers, start assembling the frames. Ensure that the numbers align correctly as you connect each frame. Make sure the male connector ports are securely attached to the female ports. Next, fix the top part of the frame and double-check that all frames are properly aligned and secured. Connect the adapter plug and verify that the lights are functioning correctly. Check both the adapter and the lights on both sides of the frame. Proceed to assemble the center supporting frames using the cross joints. Ensure that all sides of the frames align properly at the joining points according to the numbered sequence. After completing the frame assembly, it's time to install the fabric. Start installing on the four corners first and continue installing on the center of each side of the frame, ensuring a tight fit to avoid any wrinkles or folds. Carefully insert the silicone edge of the fabric into the frames. If you encounter any difficulties, recheck the frame connections for gaps. Plug in the power cable and perform a final check. Rotate the stand at the bottom of the frame to position it correctly. Raise and rotate the frame to install the fabric on the back side. Now, admire your finished product. You're ready to use it for promoting your shows or events. Welcome to the installation guide for our flag banner product. First, ensure that all the necessary kits are included in your package. Begin assembling the product by twisting the leg portion, ensuring stability without any shaking. In the fabric, you'll find a hollow portion designed for frame installation. Start by inserting the thinnest aluminium pole into the fabric, leaving the end portion slightly exposed to accommodate the next pole. Attach the next thinnest aluminium pole to the exposed end of the first pole, pushing it into the fabric. Continue this process with the remaining poles, ensuring they are securely attached to one another. Finally, attach the last end of the pole to the stand and secure it by tying the rope through the fabric hole. If you're installing the flag banner outdoors, fill the water bag with water and insert it into the stand before inserting the pole for added stability. Your flag banner is now ready to proudly display your message or branding. Thank you for choosing our product. Presenting our exclusive table cover, adorned with your brand information, diligently designed to elevate and spotlight your presence at stalls, trade shows, press meets, and beyond. As we reveal the fabric cover, its superior quality and timeless elegance are proudly showcased. With a graceful unfurling, we gently lay the fabric onto the table, meticulously ensuring that all four corners are adjusted to achieve the ideal position. This attention to detail guarantees a neat look and flawless finish, elevating the presentation to perfection. Your table cover is now ready to proudly display your message or branding. Thank you for choosing our product. Backdrop Source, printing premier backdrops since 2004.